Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you are new here then hi, I'm Shreya. So as you have already read the title, this video is going to be a Janpat market haul. So last वाले vlog में I went to Janpat market. I explored the market and I bought a few pieces, bought a few things from there, and this video is going to be all about things I got from there. So I think we should just begin. Okay, so let's start with what I'm actually wearing. So the top and the earring both are from Janpat market. Winters are almost gone, so I think मुझे perfect time पे ये मिल गया. I really like the minimal detailing on it. इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा sequin का काम हो रखा है. Like you can see if I twirl and move with this, तो ये थोड़ा सा shine करेगा. And I think it's just perfect. Also, this was just for ₹150, so I think it's a great deal. It's a very pretty spaghetti top और साथ में मुझे इसका neckline बहुत अच्छा लगा. I really like V-neck tops. I think it is something that suits me. Next, let's talk about the earrings. So these earrings that I'm wearing are also from Janpat market, as I said. So this was only for ₹50. So once you enter the market, there are two lanes. एक right पे है और एक left पे है. So in the left lane, if you see the second or third shop, so I think वो एक accessories की shop है, where everything is for ₹50 and ₹100. So I got this from that shop. So next up, I bought a flannel. This is something जो कभी भी out of style नहीं होता, and it is something that you can wear at all times. I can wear it in multiple ways. I can wear it as it is, या फिर कुछ अंदर पहन के I can just wear it as a jacket, and I'm sure it will look very very trendy. Okay, so I noticed one thing. The shopkeepers in Janpat वो बहुत unnecessarily high prices quote करते हैं. So for this flannel, they were asking me to pay ₹700, and I don't know, 700 was a bit too much for a roadside shop. So I straight away said no कि कितना ही कम हो जाएगा. Then he said 400 and we agreed at 250. So I finally bought it for ₹250. So I think that is one thing that you should keep in mind if you're shopping from Janpat. Then I bought this very very cute crop top. It's totally white और बीच में छोटे छोटे से sunflowers बने हुए हैं. I think it's a sunflower, or at least to me it is a sunflower. Okay. Again, I have a similar story for this top. The shopkeeper was quoting ₹650 for this one, and I got it for 200. So great deal, guys. It's a very cute crop top. I really like it, and I don't usually wear white, so I wanted to experiment this time. So yeah, that's it. Next up, I bought some socks. Yes, these socks. इसमें मैंने कोई bargaining नहीं करी because this was for ₹100, like 3 pairs for ₹100, and इनकी जो quality है, it also looks really nice, and it was packed proper एकदम. So and if you see closely तो इसमें smileys बनी हुई है. I don't know, for some reason I find it a little creepy, but I like the color, so let it be. Okay, so next up I bought this top. It looks like a kurta, but I don't think it's a proper kurta. I really like the sleeves. इसमें proper bell sleeves हैं, and also it has tie-dye print. I also wore this yesterday, so I can see it's like very comfortable and pure cotton material. एकदम perfect है गर्मियों के लिए. And this was also for ₹150. So yeah. So the showstopper of this video, or at least according to me, is this top. So I bought this from the same shop जहाँ से मैंने अपना ये वाला top लिया, red वाला. And what I really love about this top is the bag. As I said earlier, you get a lot of similar things in Janpat, like a lot of bohemian stuff. Also, if you look closely, the work और जो इस पे patterns हो रखे हैं, that is also something that I really liked. और जो cloth का print है, that is also like denim. It's not something that you easily find, but yeah, the main reason is the back detailing. it's just, I cannot wait to style it. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about accessories. So जो proper accessory या the only visible accessory I got is this. बाकी सारी चीज़ें बहुत छोटी छोटी सी है. So the first thing in accessory I got is this ring. I mean that's not how you're supposed to show a ring, but yeah, this ring. It's very very dainty, super cute. इसमें पूरे में stone लगा हुआ है. And surprisingly I've been wearing it for 6-7 days और अभी तक इसका कलर नहीं गया है. So I'm really shocked because this was for 50 rupees only. Then I found a shop which was just next to the market exit. उस shop के snippets मेरे vlog में भी है. So if you want to see which one I'm talking about, you should see the vlog. So I bought very cute earrings from there, like छोटी छोटी dainty earrings, something that I can wear on my piercings. So I have a lot of piercings, तो मेरे को छोटी छोटी earrings चाहिए होती है, and that is very very hard to find. So वहाँ से मैंने 3 earrings लिए छोटे, like for my piercings, and it was for 20 rupees each. The first one is this very tiny strawberry earring. Then I picked this basic stone वाली earrings जो हर जगह मिल जाती है. And the next one is this one. ये वाला, इसमें 2 छोटे छोटे से hoops है. It is again something that I can wear ऊपर वाले piercings में. So accessories में last but not the least, I don't know why, for some reason I'm so excited for this. I got a septum nose ring. So as I said, I have like 7 pairs of piercings, but I'm really very scared of nose piercings. But once in a while I feel like experimenting, और मेरे को बहुत टाइम से ऐसा चाहिए था कुछ. It's something that you can wear as a normal nose ring also, और इसमें बीच में पैटर्न बना हुआ है as you can see. तो इसको septum piercing की तरह भी पहन सकते हैं. Majorly I'll be wearing it as a septum nose ring only, and this is how it looks. And I really don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what do you think about it, because it's clearly a big experimental piece. So yeah, that was it, and I think with this our video is ending, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what was your favorite out of everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then,